Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So the kids and I are outside today and we're working on our front porch. Now you know on this house, our front porch has the larger porch space. Our back porch just has a small little slab where you can walk in and out. There's not a lot of space to do a lot out there. And I spend or would like to spend quite a lot of time out on my front porch. And I have been looking for some very nice furniture. I have had a metal set on this front porch for a long while, but we were so fortunate to have a company reach out to us, and we will be sharing with you a set they sent us. So they sent us the UD Patio 5-piece patio lounge set. This did come from Amazon, and it is reasonably priced for a 5-piece set, at least I believe. Now, one of the things that is required is there is some assembly. This came in 2 boxes, and all the pieces for the couch, or you can actually break up these pieces and make different seating areas. Now, they put it out there as a backyard or back porch set. Our porch is not big enough, and our backyard is not necessarily where we spend the majority of our time. And on the side yard where we have that seating area out there, I still need to get some work done to have it leveled out. So for now, this is the best placement for this furniture. Now, let me tell you a little bit about this. There is some assembly required, but Jackson is 14, and so Jackson really did put together the majority of this. Sister and I did help him. It is all-weather wicker furniture, and it has the capacity for 3 to 4 people. I was thinking, there's 3 in our family, plus the dogs. It's enough for all of us out there. Now, the one thing that this can do is you can mix and match the combination of the furniture. So you can put it together with one full couch and then put another extra piece that would make it into a chaise, or you can separate it into like a love seat, a separate chair, and then another just separate no back seating chair. Or you could do the both L shapes where you have 2 love seats looking at each other. This also does come with a glass top coffee table that has suction, so it keeps that down. Now, we started on this late in the afternoon, so you're gonna see us go into another day because it was in the afternoon and I had to help my sister do some stuff. So we started like at 4:30-ish. And we were able to get, both of the kids had a box and they were all working on their particular box. And what we figured out later was, let's kind of divide and conquer a little bit. There was only one piece that kind of gave us a little bit of trouble, and I had to flip something around and we worked it out. It does come fully with your instructions on how to do it. This is Jackson putting together the last piece that would become the chaise. Now, this does have a high back for support on the back of the couch, and you'll see that it also has comfortable thick cushions. It has an ergonomic design, and it makes this couch chaise set very comfortable and sturdy. So I love this color because my house is a cream color, so it does go right along with the color of the outside of the house. Now, y'all forgive the filming here, not sure what my children were thinking, but this is the glass top coffee table that is very easy to clean. So it's just you take some glass cleaner and clean it off just like that, but it is wide, so that makes it nice that if I'm sitting on here or the kids are sitting on here, we all can put a drink on there, or if I have books or whatever, I can put it on this table. So this is the next day. I just got home from work. Jackson was home today, so he actually finished putting together the table for me, and I'm now just sweeping off the porch and making the final, putting it together. The red set we did take in the back, and that would be for the outside seating until I get the side porch cleaned off. Now, this might move into the backyard once I get that side yard all situated and figured out. I want to put down some pavers so that we can actually have a leveled sitting area. I don't know for sure yet when that's going to happen, but I'd love to be able to do that. But as you can tell, we have it all together. And again, it's going to have 2 corner chairs, 1 armless chair, 1 ottoman, 1 coffee table. The couch, if you keep it all together, it's 84.6 inches wide. It is 24.8 inches tall and 29.5 inches wide. So if you put the ottoman piece, so where the ottoman is, that comes out 55 and 1 inch. So 55.1 inches. Now, I would have loved to have this shimmied over a little bit to the end of the porch, but because of where the window is placed on our house, this made the most sense. This set comes in 3 different colors. You can get this in gray, you can get it in cream, or you can get it in blue, and that's going to be for your cushion colors, right? So the blue is going to be the cushion, the gray cushions, or the tan cream color. Then I went to Goodwill and I found some pillows. Now, I did a business purchase. I didn't use personal funds for this because I'm trying to, maintain my savings. So I went to their bins and found some pillows. These are not considered outdoor pillows. However, this is on a covered porch. So these pillows work out very nicely, and they also give our porch a nice aesthetic look where this looks put together and it feels like it is a part of an outside living area, which is what I desire, especially when I have to go in and I want to do Bible study, or I just want to drink my coffee, or I just want to sit outside and enjoy my front porch. Sometimes we'll keep the dogs out on the front with a chain, their doggy chains and stuff. And so sometimes I don't want to always sit in the back, but I added in some turquoise colors, some cream, and some browns to go with the couch cushions, and it worked out real nice. The pillows I got from the bins for $1.99 each. If you're interested in a set that looks like this or one of the other 2 colors that I mentioned, there will be a link in the description box below where you can find this on Amazon. It was a quick delivery, didn't take long for us to put together, and it's so easy, again, that a 14-year-old can do it. I did leave my turquoise table that I had out here initially on this on this porch, because it went with the pillow colors. And it also gives me a side table where I can put things if I want to bring stuff outside. One of the most fun things that I was able to do then was I was able to I brought out some coasters, but then because it's cool, I don't have a coat on outside. I really could have put a coat on because it is cool here in North Carolina. But I was able to bring something out. If you look just to the left of the table, we have outside plugs. And so I'm going to pop inside the house, and then I'm going to come back outside with an electric heating blanket, because I want to make sure that I am able to be nice and cozy. I don't want to have a set that I can't use in the winter time. And so Jackson got a new heating blanket for Christmas, and he was gracious enough to let Mom use it. The one and only thing I didn't love about this set was, if you look at the table, the legs or the feet are blue, and in some of the other sets, the feet are gray, which would have been a better aesthetic for not having like an oddly colored foot on the bottom of your couch or your ottoman. Again, for stability purposes, the feet worked out fine, but the gray color would have been a little bit better aesthetically. So we're going to go with it. This worked out real well. I was able to sit on the chaise end of this couch and enjoy, just sitting out in my own yard or my own front porch. I see my neighbors outside quite often, and sometimes I don't always get that enjoyment. And partially sitting up in a regular chair doesn't allow for that. Here I am just taking off my tennis shoes. I didn't want my shoes to get onto the cushions because I am a tiny bit short. I know I look tall in the videos, but I am short. And it says 55.1 inches. I am 55 3/4 inches tall. And so again, that worked out real well. That blanket is starting to heat up. It's getting me toasty roasty. And I brought out some books that I was going to be working on getting some reading done for my ladies groups. So again, you guys, we do want to thank you so much for stopping by and joining us. If you are interested in this particular patio set, there will be a link in the description box below where you can obtain this for your own self. We do thank you so much for stopping by our channel. Thank you for being a part of the journey, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.